If you lodge your BAS returns or receive your personal or company assessment notices without paying, sooner or later the Australian Taxation Office is going to come knocking on your door, looking for their money. Being able to negotiate cents to the dollar with the Australian Taxation Office is nothing more than an urban myth. It simply does not happen. However, you can negotiate time payments, and you can also negotiate remission from late lodgement fees and interest, if you do it carefully.
A successful business, as well as a failing business, can fall behind with their payments to the Australian Taxation Office. It's very important to work out in which category you sit. If you're a failing business, obviously you need to make a decision on whether you're going to stay in the business or make some changes so that you can be profitable and recover from the debts that you owe. If you have to deal with the Australian Taxation Office, there's a couple of fundamentals you need to understand. Number one, they're human. Please be polite, communicate well, call them back. Number two, don't make promises that you can't keep. They will note what you've said you're going to do, and if you can't make regular payments, they'll take the steps a bit further to collect money from you. Number three, while you're negotiating with them, start paying them. While you may have not agreed on the amount you're going to pay, it's important that you start the journey by paying the Australian Taxation Office something every day or every week. It means goodwill, and sometimes that may help. The last thing to remember is that there are criteria of which they will negotiate in. If they give you time payment, that's precisely what they've given you. You cannot miss a single payment. The ATO will outline exactly what they're prepared to accept, although in a lot of cases you actually can renegotiate if you're unable to pay. Keeping communication channels open is important. Remember, your file is going to move from case manager to case manager, so it's important that sometimes you get to know them as well. The Australian Taxation Office is like dealing with a lot of other creditors or people you owe money to. Just remember, running away will never help you.